Yo, just coming at y'all with a little quick update video. Word is they looking for the death penalty in the case of young Dolph with his killers. So if they wasn't telling that, they finna really be telling that. They might be growing tails already. You feel me? Cause when that death penalty get involved, they mindset change. They in that all that shit he was talking about. I'll be home faster than you can blink, and I'm innocent and all that, bruh. Do you want to take your chances with that? Do you want to take your chances with that in court and let 12 people decide your fate, or a judge, whichever one you choose? I don't think you do. I don't think nobody do. So yeah, man, they're going with the death penalty on this, and this is gonna be real interesting to see who fold under this pressure, because the pressure is mounting, is getting thick. Death penalty ain't nothing to play with, and it's crazy. I'm also hearing, Jojo Splatt been picked up. We probably hear more on that tomorrow with the news, but I'm also hearing Jojo Splatt been picked up with the involvement in Young Dolph murder also, and we're gonna get to the bottom of that tomorrow, and we'll see how that go. But as of right now, we we just got what we got. I'm just gonna hit y'all with this. I ain't gonna go too far deep into it. I just wanna, get a little quick vlog out there before I go to sleep. That they seeking a death penalty, and Jojo Splatt supposedly been picked up by the police, in connection with the Young Dolph murder. So yeah, man, if that's true, then I've been saying that shit from day one. If it ain't true, then chalk it up to lying bloggers and shit like that, because I'm really just piggybacking off what I just been doing, my little online internet research, but yeah, shit ain't looking good for them, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, if the death penalty get introduced, there's gonna be a whole lot of telling going on. I don't care who think they tough, all that shit he talking about. He'll be home fast. We didn't blink 100,000 times since then, every day. So he definitely ain't gonna keep that promise. We're gonna see if he keep this other. Shit looking crazy, man. I think heard Big Moochie Grape got his chains back also. Big Moochie Grape got his PRE chains back. So the PRE chains that y'all seen the perpetrators with, I heard they've been recovered. I don't know how, I don't know why. I don't know if, Big Moochie Grape, sent us, said, told them people what he did. He said what happened on the internet. So, that's public knowledge. He was in the hospital doing the video talking about, I got, my gun was on my hip. I got my gun off my hip, shot you. You shot me. We in the same hospital. Blase Skipper. That was already out there. So, that ain't really like, me breaking no news or nothing. Maybe if you ain't heard it yet, you done heard it now. But other than that, that's already out there. Y'all can go look up the video of him, Big Moochie Grape, in the hospital, speaking about the chain snatch situation or whatever. Yeah. But if they seeking this death penalty, it's gonna be real hard for them boys to stand tall on this one. I bet you that shit. They can miss me with that shit. Jojo Splatt got snitched on and picked up already. They already snitching. Cause how they didn't even know about him, they would have been picked him up. Like he was already, he was the first one to get locked up, to my knowledge. Picked up for the questioning of the murder. So how he was out all this time, then all of a sudden they want to charge him, it's beyond me. It just lets me further understand there's a lot of snitching going on. You did, as I suspected. Y'all know we're gonna recap all that shit, cause I'm gonna play everything. I'm gonna get a clip of me saying all this shit like, hey, told y'all who was gonna tell, you did. All all that woofing on the internet, that just means you gonna tell. Cause you don't care about getting caught. People who care about getting caught, who know they ain't gonna tell, they ain't finna put themselves in a position to have to, face that shit. Because they know that's what they gonna do, face that shit. They ain't finna tell their way out of it. Motherfuckers who I told y'all straight drop been telling. We told, when he was a juvenile. You know what I'm saying? A long time ago, shit. So I already knew what he was gonna do. I'm surprised they ain't check his background before they sent him out to do anything. Guess they ain't know either. No, they ain't know he was no sex offender. So we got a lot of shit on his plate. I believe he probably gonna be their star witness. Like you been doing it, you know what I'm saying? The judge ain't fucking with you like that for nothing. I know if he get that same judge, boy, I bet you, I know, we gonna know anyway, shit. We gonna know who telling in a minute anyway. But yeah, Jojo Splatt, I know, what's today? Today is Wednesday, so they go to court today. So not Jojo Splatt, but what you call them, Cornelius and Straight Drop, Justin Johnson, they both got court today, Wednesday. So they'll be in court today, so we definitely heard more details on that situation. I'm pretty sure there'll probably be a continuance or something like that, and they might, expose the Jojo Splatt being arrested on the news. They might let that out to the world, and get him a continuance, because now they got further details, and they might also introduce the fact that they're seeking the death penalty tomorrow on the news. So tomorrow, if the news say they seeking the death penalty and all that, and they got Jojo Splatt, I need like 100,000 likes. Nah, real shit, like a thou wow. Make sure y'all subscribe. Just doing a little homework online. You feel me? Called a few people. It's all speculation right now, so I can't put no facts on it, and I'm only saying that because it ain't came from my people who I know is a reliable source. It came from people that I vouch for them. They ain't just gonna be talking to be talking, but they could be wrong. You know what I'm saying? When it's a fact, I'll let y'all know it's a fact. I always do that. So yeah, man, they introducing the death penalty to them boys. Seeking the death penalty, rather. We don't know if it's gonna be held up, but they seeking the death penalty, and Jojo Splatt supposedly been arrested. Court date today, Wednesday. See y'all later on the day after the court date. See how it go. We're gonna break that down. We out. Wolfpack.